So, here you are, built like a pear, got no neck, luscious man boobs. You look in that mirror and you're really tired of seeing that. You tired of the insecurities, not loving yourself, not appreciating yourself. Well, trust and believe you came to the right video. If you ask me, if I gained 50 pounds and had to lose that same amount of weight real fast, what can I do? Well, here's the thing. First off, look in that mirror and realize you have a problem. I'm fat as hell and I let myself go. You have to take accountability for your actions because it's your fault, the reason why you in that position. Think about it. It's those habits of yours. You keep on going to that refrigerator and you snacking. And you snacking pretty good, bruh. But the same thing I always hear. Oh, I only eat like once or twice, bruh. I just don't understand. It's the same lies I hear over and over. But the actuality, you eat way more than what you're saying. Than what you're claiming. Stop capping. Once you hold yourself accountable, you look in the mirror and you realize, damn, I need to do something about it. That's step one. It's realizing that it's your fault and you gotta take action right here, right now. Once I made that realization that, bro, I'm fat as fuck, that's when I finally took action. Step two, bro, it's time to work out. Yeah, I know, right? You gotta start working out. But not only that, it's what you're putting in your body. What you're putting in your body, and use your body. Energy in, energy out. Calories in, calories out. That accountability part really comes into play right here. You have to fully understand how much energy you're putting in. The calories. You have to treat that like currency, like fuel. If you truly want to lose weight, you have to understand how many calories you're consuming a day. Because I know damn well it's too much. You might lie to yourself and say it's about 2,000, 2,500. Whole time it's 3,000 plus. And the amount that you work off is so less than what you're putting in. So no wonder why you're not seeing any results. But the more you cut back on those calories and the more that you work, the more weight that you will lose. Trust and believe that. Calories in, calories out. Those calories, make those calories worth your while versus garbage calories. There is a huge difference. If you start eating more fruit, vegetables, fresh meats, nuts, foods with nutrients, good value versus Reese cups, cereal, you know what I'm saying, them Debbie cakes, fudge rounds. Oh damn, you going to Burger King again with your fat ass, bruh? You finna get that 2 for $6? Damn it. You think Burger King is gonna help you? It's not. It's only gonna help you get those love handles. It'll help you keep those man boobs. It'll help you keep being built like a circle. Realizing what you put in your body really truly matters. Valuable foods versus garbage foods. But once you start to put the valuable foods in, now you gotta just move. Just move. You sit too much. You live in a sedentary lifestyle. Truly, open your eyes. What are you doing in your free time? I don't got enough time to exercise. Face ass. But yeah, you scrolling on social media for an hour. You beating your meat to porn for an hour. You hanging out with the garbage circle crowd friends of yours every weekend. So where are you spending your time? Oh damn, you're on the PlayStation playing those weak ass games that ultimately keep asking for DLCs, robbing you. You paying $70 for a game that's gonna ask you to pay $30 more for some stupid ass skins that got no value for you. That's what you want to spend your time on. But yeah, you gonna give me the same excuse for working out. Just to move. You ain't gotta sit here and go, Rambo and shit in the gym. It's simply move. But really, I gotta ask you. You say you want to lose 50 pounds fast as possible. How hard and how badly do you truly want it? How badly do you truly want to transform your life? if you're willing to give it your all, then you're willing to sacrifice all that shit. This is a sacrifice. You gotta be willing to sacrifice. That is the biggest thing. You gotta willing to sacrifice all the shit that got you to square one. Think about it. It's the foods, it's the habits, it's that crowd you hang out with. It's all that nonsense that's blinding you for what you really truly need to do. You gotta hold yourself accountable. But once you hold yourself accountable, that's when you will truly win. I promise you that. So what type of workouts do I need to do to lose weight? It could just be as simple as just going out for a walk. Walking often. That's for those that's really down bad. Just walk. Move. Get your body moving. Get your body grooving. Build that habit of putting your body in motion. Do more chores. Clean your house. Do whatever you need to do to get your body in motion. And once you start to get your body in motion and you build the habits, now you can start to do basic exercises. You can start anywhere, even from body weight. You ain't gotta necessarily go to the gym. Understand what push-ups are, squats, things of that nature, dips. I know it's probably hard to do a pull-up, but learn how to do a pull-up. What is it gonna take to do these exercises? But now it's start to build that consistency part. How can I stay motivated and consistent to do these exercises? Understand the fundamentals. Getting better at the fundamentals. So those basic exercises I listed earlier, it can apply to weightlifting. Once you're finally ready for the gym, what machines do I want to use? What this and that? Anything that gets you to press, bench press, any variation of that, any variation of a squat, any variation of a deadlift, any variation of a rows, any variation of an overhead press that works your whole entire body, multiple muscle groups, literally the basic, to build your whole entire base. Once you get better at these exercises, you ain't got no choice but to form into the whole new being. But not only that, you start to introduce cardio at the same time. Now you're working on your cardiovascular. So that moving from earlier, now you're going to start to incorporate jogs, jump roping, shadow boxing, things that's going to get your heart rate going, circuit style training. Go from cardio, strength training, cool down. That cardio is your warm up to the actual lifts, whatever lifts that you're lacking in. You suck at push-ups, that's going to be your main goal. You suck at squats and deadlifts because you keep skipping leg day, that's what you're going to do. Ultimately, what is it that you're lacking in? And you're going to build a program around it for yourself to get better. It's simple as that. And eventually, over time, you're going to start to see results. Now, what's the time frame? You got to give yourself 60 to 90 days, depending on how hard you train, how badly you want it, how much you're willing to sacrifice to be able to transform your life. Remember, hey, we 10 days into January, dog. We already over a week into January 2025. You already giving up, huh? It's already getting hard, huh? Those old habits starting to creep back. But yet, you set this goal for yourself. You want to get in the best shape of your life. You not only get in the best shape of your life, you want to experience what life truly is for yourself. Because ultimately, you're not happy at where you at, truly. Fitness is deeper than just the physicality. It's all within. And once you tackle from the within, the outside will show. You're going to glow because ultimately you tackle what's inside that you've been battling with for quite some time now. But once you start to understand your traumas, you overcome it, you start to understand who you truly are, what you truly want, you ain't got no choice but to dominate. The physicality, this is just step one to the true you. But right now, you're just out of shape for the biggest reason is you ultimately is not happy right now. You don't believe in yourself. You've been living life and life just been lifing. You truly want something for yourself, but you just don't know how. That's when you have to eliminate all the distractions. Eliminate all the distractions Put yourself first and keep going one day at a time. All this stuff that I just told you, it's a consistency thing. It's a one day at a time thing. This is all for you. And it's gonna be lonely sport. You might question it, but trust and believe. If you stick with this, you're gonna see your life change. Find where you lack in and just get better at it. That's simply it. But you have to stay consistent with it. You gotta keep doing that. And then once you start to plateau, you gotta change the variable. You gotta go harder each and every time. More reps or more weight. Better technique, form. Whatever it is, you gotta keep changing that variable over and over, because ultimately there's no such thing as plateaus if you keep challenging yourself. Focus on how you're performing. Damn, I could walk a little bit further than last time. I could walk a flight of stairs way more than last time. I can do this more than last time. If your performance is doing this, your body composition is going to show. But not only your body composition, your mindset and your motivation. I gotta ask you this. How badly do you truly want it? What are you willing to sacrifice to be able to lose that said 50 pounds or more? You want to give it your all? Then do that thing. You already watched how many videos? You watched all these videos, and it's telling you the exact same thing. And I'm telling you the exact same thing, but in a different way. But now it's time for you to take action. Now.